Mega love shoutout to everyone. This is Ice Mallet, guys. So, andito tayo ngayon sa binigay ni Inday Mas. This one from Bohol. So, sabi niya, kainin na daw yung suman kasi expire na. May suman. Ito guys. May suman with sikwati or tabliya. Ito, tabliya to guys. Tabliya. Pang sikwate. Tapos, meron tayong suman, dalawa. Ayan, may suman tayong dalawa. Tapos, sugar cane or tubo. Sa ano ko guys, sa short ko, ang sinabi ko is kawayan. Akala ko tinughong. Yung tawag, may, yung tawag dito sa mga Ilocano din, meron kasing yung bolo na species ng kawayan na nilalagyan nila doon ng parang kalamay, ganun. Eh, hindi ko alam na ano pala to, sugar cane, tubo. Diyos ko, ang sinabi ko doon sa aking short is kawayan. Kasi akala ko yun ang tinughong tawag dun sa amin na may kakanin siya sa loob na parang kalamay. Ganun yun. Tapos, yun nga yung kalamay. Eh, sabi, mag-expire na daw to sa October 3. So, titikman natin. So, unahin muna natin yung suman. Ayan, yung suman. Kasi sabi, mag-expire na daw. Nak, yung nak, volume ng mo, naririnig. Ay, ano pala to? Ano to? Suman balanghoy? Ah, hindi, suman. Gusto mo? Hindi ko ka-friends na paborito niya to. Eh, ano mo yan? Off mo yan. Ayan, suman pala. So, kumuha ako ng asukal. Didip natin dito. Thank you, Inday Merls, for this pasalubong. And, of course, Grandpa, thank you. Kahit binoid niyo ako sa LC, nanghiya kayo. Alam mo naman tutukan ko yung inalate nga ako eh. Maloko-loko kayo. Ayan. Yung isa, kinuha ni Princess, guys. So, may sugar. Ayan.
Bukas.
Ito, para kay Princess. Huwag ka nang sumali, ha? Saglit lang, ubusin ko lang to. Ikaw nang gagamit. Yung suman guys, hindi masyadong matamis. Tamang-tama lang yung tamis niya. So, ako kasi guys, nahilig kasi ako sa suman na dinidip ko sa sugar. Basta yung suman natin guys. Etong sugar cane or tubo, hindi ko ito mumukbangin. Kasi, hindi kakayanin ng ipin ko guys. Kasi yung tubo sa amin, pag magpang-usmi, pang-usmin yung ichuchu mo yung kasi ito, parang dito sa may buto-buto niya to eh. Kailangan ng kutsilyo. Ganyanin. Eh, wala akong kutsilyo malaki. Sa amin kasi, yung tubo dun sa amin, guys, ginaganyan lang namin ng ganyan. Ay, pwede pala, guys. Pwede. Wait lang. Agay. O, diba? Ang talim ng ngipin ko. Ayan. Sugar cane. This is how you, because of the, ano nito, yung buto. Buto, hindi, yung separation, ano ba tawag dito? Basta yung may, ito ba tawag, ano sa Bisaya? Nakalimot ko. Basta. Ganyan. Ganyan, gagawin ka. Kasi sa bukid nun, meron dun tubuhan. Tapos pupunta ka lang dun sa gilid, kukuha ka ng isa or ganyan. Pero sa amin kasi guys, may tubo kasi kaming tanim din sa likod bahay. Pero yon yung ano na yon, yung mga tubuhan, pwede ka lang kumuha dun guys. Tapos ito nga, gaganyan mo lang. Ganyan. Ayan ha. Maanghang. Maanghang? Akin na. Ayaw ng anak ko guys.
Ano yan?
Sugar cane, tubo. Kala doon ng anak ko kung ano. Sa'yo na yan.
Itong box?
Bakit? This is how you eat. This is how we eat sugar cane. Yeah. Na!
Sabi mo sa akin lang.
Alis dyan.
Sino nang bigay sa'yo na yan?
Si Tita Inday. Mama ni Ami. Karing uhol. Oh God.
Ayoko naman.
So this one is ready already guys. This one, parang buto. Parang buto siya. So kailangan tanggalin. Oh my God. Ba yan? Pinahirapan talaga ng kalisod man ito eh.
Mama na yan.
Yeah. Then you're going to chew. Like this. OMG. So difficult, my God. Too hard. Too hard pa guys yung niya. It's still hard, so ito. This is how you eat sugar cane. No need to have knife. Pahirap. God. Pahirap man tong iyong thank you already. This one you can chew. Okay? See? This is how to eat sugar cane or tubo. Good. DIY. You just have to sip it. Sip. Or chew. See? Simple to eat. Kalukuhan talaga tong pasalubong ni Inday. Inday Mers, pahirap. Ha? OMG. Oh my God. See? I sip all the ano. See? My God. Almost, guys. Oh my God. Almost. Ay, So it's done with the sugar cane. That's how you eat if you don't have a knife. So your knife would be your teeth. And because Princess said that it's like hot or something like maybe the taste of the ginger. She said it's spicy. So, because maybe they put a lot of ginger when they cook this one. So, I just have to finish it. The other suman, because I have 2 suman. And then the tabliya or the sikwati. This one is... Wait. This one is tabliya or cooked cocoa or kikeo. This one is made from kikeo or cacao. Social lang natin kikeo. Cacao. Then they grind this one and make it into like chocolate. And then this one, you have to boil water and then you put this one to make it sikwati. We call this one sikwati or cocoa drink. Cocoa drink. Like the chocolate one. And this one. So, I just have to continue eating my suman.
Chocolate? Chocolate ka ma?
No.
Sabi mo eh.
Ay! And I have my nasty oh no, because my suman is too sweet. Now my iced tea or nasty iced tea is so sour. Now we open our Ching's calamay and it will going to expire. This one is made September 27, 2025 and it's going to expire on October 3, 2025. So, we're going to open this one and we're going to try it. So, this one, because this, the red line, the red part is already cut into half. The coconut shell is this shell. Coconut shell. So we're going to open and we just have to into half. Wait. Like this. Excuse you. I burp already, guys. No cutting videos. Okay? So, this one goes like this. And then we're going to... There. So, this is the calamay from Bohol. This is given by Inday Merls. Cute ng Balaga, Bohol. Where she go home there for the reunion. Class reunion. So, here it goes. There you go, the calamay. Ooh, so yummy. But there's a, not really full. Yeah, this one. So, this one. Okay. I'm going to put it down. Oh my God. It's so sticky. So sticky. This one is easy to do also if you want to make it. But it's too hard. No. Ukay-ukay na. You can put this one as substitute for sandwich spread. This one. Or you can eat with this only. Calamay only. See? Because I have bread, this one, so I will put some, this one is not really sweet bread, so I can put the calamay. I will put some calamay here. Let's see. This courtesy of Inday Merls. Cute ng Balaga, Bohol. This is their specialty, the calamay. Known for its chocolate hills. That one is not really chocolate that you can eat, but it's a range of different sizes of like mountains. They call it chocolate hills because it's like chocolates. What I'm saying, naughty one. So there you go, guys. So I put it inside and make it like sandwich bread. So the calamay. So I'm going to eat. Yum. Thank you also, Katos, for bringing this one to me instead of going to Inday's place. Katots TV, Katots, bring it here. First time to come here, he said it's too far away, but then I said I'm going to give you money so that you will come and deliver to me. So no choice, Katots. So Katots bring and came over. So now I eat it. Thank you, Tots. Wala siyang peanut. Usually, the calamay, you can put some nuts inside. But this one, no calamay, no nuts. Oh no. Wala. Magos. Yum. It's overflowing already, guys. My God. With all the sugar cane. So we're going to take some more because it's overflowing. My God. So sticky. Mm. calamay you can eat this way, or you put it as like sandwich bread. It's too sweet. OMG. I cannot finish na, guys. It's too sweet. So, again, thank you to Inday Merls for bringing this one from Bohol to Manila as pasalubong. Lalas Melanie has Bisay, Katots, and Jessa, and I don't know others who have this one. So,
Ano yan?
kalamay.
Ano yun? Ano yung sabihin?
Masarap.
Ano yan? Kape?
Sticky rice. Oh, hindi. Too sweet. My God. Uubusin ko na lang.
Asan pala yung kumot ko? Kumot ka nasa.
So sweet. Again. So thank you so much, Inday Merls, and also to Grandpa. Thank you so much. And also Katots for bringing this one. Ayan. Thank you so much. So, thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye!